Hey, what is going on, my fellow jewelers? So today I'm doing an unboxing of all the amazing stuff I got from PandaHall Selected. Ooh, PandaHall Selected. Now I know I've done a haul from PandaHall haul. I know I did stuff from them, but PandaHall Selected is different. Who knew, right? When they contacted me like, hey, we want to send you free product, I'm like, hey, guess what? You already did. Thanks so much for contacting me. They're like, no. PandaHall and PandaHall Selected are two different things. And I'm like, whoa, really? And they're like, yes. So pick out $40 worth of product and we will send to you for free if you do 3 videos for us. And I'm like, heck yeah, send it. And so if you want to check out what I got from them, and you want to get the same stuff as me, you can go in the description below, their website, all the product linked, it's down there. And even some of their social media stuff that I do really follow, not just because they send me good stuff, but I do follow them and I love some of their tutorials on Pinterest. And so yeah, so go ahead and check that out. But this is what I got. Oh, this package. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at all this stuff. Look at, for $40, they have really cool stuff. I'm really super excited. I can't wait to show you. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to get notifications, because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making. Yes, I am. So you and me, let's get started. All right, so let me show you what I got from PandaHall Selected. So I'm so excited because I have seen these links on Pinterest, not the links by themselves, but necklaces and bracelets and earrings. And I didn't know you could just get the links by themselves and make your own creation. And so when I saw it on PandaHall Selected, I was freaking out. I was like, oh my goodness, I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. And this is just one package. This is just one package to get, but they also have pastel colors, like the bright softer colors, and they also have another package of these links with different colors. And so, oh my goodness, if you like that or want to make it for your clients, I would so recommend getting these. I'm so excited to show you how to make them. I'm gonna do a bracelet, necklace, earring set on my next video, so be continued to just watch for that. Okay, and then the next thing I got is I am obsessed with lobster class. I feel like I'm almost like a collector of lobster class, so anytime I see unique ones, I just go cuckoo crazy, little bonkers. And so this one has a heart with some intricate design on it, and they're really big. I love big stuff for when I have like big beads or even like these links or whatever. And so I just really love these lobster clasps. They're really great. And then the next thing I'm super excited about is these metal beads. They are silver and gold and bronze and black. But the cool thing about these beads, these spacer beads, look at this. They have this loop underneath of them. And so you can dangle stuff off your bracelet or your necklace and make it dangle a little bit lower than the rest of your beads that you're stringing along with these metal beads and stuff. And so I'm so excited to use this. I have something in mind I can't wait to show you. And then, oh my goodness, I am obsessed with adjustable bracelets. And look at all the colors you get. You get silver, you get gold, you get kind of like almost like a darker silver, and then you get this pretty, oh my goodness, look at this color. It's like a rose gold or like a bronzish. And you get, oh my goodness, you get so many of these, and you can do like lots of like charms on them or whatever. But I'm obsessed because as a jewelry maker, I never know the size of someone's wrist. And so with this, I feel very confident it's going to fit their wrist and stuff. And so I did not expect this many of them. I'm super excited how many I got. And I have something really special in mind for a video to do with these. I know you're like, oh, just put a charm on it. But no, I have something really special that I'm excited to share with you in 2 videos from now. So this is what I got. I'm super excited. And I love what the selection that PandaHall Selected actually has on their website. Ooh, I love it. I love all those jewelry stuff. I'm so excited. Now, I am actually really interested. Go on their website, go to PandaHall Selected website, and I want you to send me links of what you would purchase if you bought from PandaHall, or if you would buy from PandaHall Selected. I want to see what you actually like, and maybe like, yeah, I want to get that too, because I'm going to show you some cool things. So anyway, I'd love to see what you would get. I love what I got from PandaHall Selected. Again, make sure if any stuff I got and you want to get to, go down to the description below. I have all the links. I have PandaHall selected website, their social media stuff, and I'm just excited because the next 2 weeks we're going to be doing some really fun stuff. So those link stuff, I'm going to do a whole jewelry set. That's right, necklace, bracelet, and earrings. Bring it on. And then I have something really kind of close to my heart for the adjustable bracelets that just means a lot to me, and so I'm excited to show you that as well. But that's all I got for you guys today. Make sure you comment, share, like. I love to hear your thoughts. Love to throw those big thumbs up, and then I will check you on the next video. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.